When it comes to improving your home in West Valley City, few upgrades deliver the same combination of comfort, efficiency, and long-term value as vinyl windows. With cold winters, warm summers, and noticeable seasonal shifts, homeowners need windows that can handle changing conditions without constant maintenance or rising energy costs. Vinyl windows have become one of the most popular choices for good reason. They offer practical performance benefits that make them a smart investment for West Valley City homes. Built for West Valley City's climate, West Valley City experiences both freezing winter temperatures and hot summer days. Older windows often struggle with expansion and contraction, leading to drafts, seal failures, and higher energy bills. Vinyl windows are designed to withstand temperature fluctuations. High-quality vinyl frames resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, even during extreme weather changes. Unlike wood, they won't swell or rot. Unlike some metals, they don't transfer heat as easily. This durability ensures consistent performance year after year. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows. Modern vinyl windows typically include double or triple pane insulated glass. Argon gas fills between panes. Low emissivity coatings. Multi-chambered frame construction. These features work together to reduce heat transfer. In winter, they help retain indoor warmth. In summer, they limit heat gain from the sun. For West Valley City homeowners, this means a more comfortable home and potentially lower monthly heating and cooling bills. Reduced drafts and air leaks. Air leakage is a major source of energy waste. Even small gaps around window frames can allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. Vinyl windows are manufactured with precision-engineered frames and tight sealing systems. When professionally installed, they create a strong thermal barrier that reduces drafts. Eliminating cold spots near windows in winter or warm air infiltration in summer greatly enhances daily comfort. Low maintenance. For busy homeowners, one of the most appealing benefits of vinyl windows is their low maintenance nature. Unlike wood windows, vinyl does not require painting, staining. Sealing. The material resists peeling, fading, and moisture damage. A simple cleaning with mild soap and water is usually all that's needed to keep them looking fresh. For West Valley City homeowners balancing work, family, and daily responsibilities, low maintenance saves both time and effort. Long-term cost savings. While vinyl windows are often more affordable upfront than some other materials, their long-term savings are even more impressive. Lower energy bills, minimal maintenance costs, and strong durability contribute to long-term value. Because vinyl windows resist many common issues that affect older window types, they often require fewer repairs over time. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades can increase property value and appeal to potential buyers. Noise reduction benefits. Modern vinyl windows with insulated glass also help reduce outside noise. The multi-pane construction dampens sound vibrations, creating a quieter indoor environment. For homeowners in West Valley City neighborhoods near busy streets or growing communities, improved noise control enhances relaxation and privacy. Versatile design options. Today's vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles, sizes, and finishes. Whether your home features traditional architecture or a more modern look, vinyl windows can be customized to match. From clean gridless designs to decorative grid patterns, vinyl windows adapt easily to your home's aesthetic. A smart upgrade for lasting comfort. Vinyl windows offer a powerful combination of energy efficiency, durability, low maintenance, and affordability. For West Valley City homeowners, they provide year-round comfort while standing up to seasonal weather changes. If you're looking for a window solution that delivers long-term performance without constant upkeep, vinyl windows are a smart and reliable investment that benefits your home today and for years to come.